Hello there, I am Dinga, your friendly owl in town. Everyone in the world is talking about it, featured in magazines and newspapers. The newest, amazing, and rising technology, the 3D printer. Here at Clone World, we have our very own 3D printer, the Clone Machine. The Clone Machine, like any other 3D printers, makes a three-dimensional, solid object of virtually any shape from a digital model. The process will all begin in a digital 3D model file. The Clone Machine then reads the file and creates accurately the digital 3D model you have, resulting in an awesome three-dimensional object, and will be followed by cleaning and polishing. Easy and amazing, right? Be more amazed on how the Clone Machine works, from extracting, cleaning, and dipping the object in a solution through a live demo. Also get the chance to create your own Dinga souvenir, or any designed bird at Jurong Bird Park. And the best part is, you can absolutely keep it. We also make your look-alike clones, so you can get them too. To know more about our 3D magic, come join us at the world's first 3D printing workshop. See ya! Welcome to your own world, your Clone World.